Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SendGrid for app email sending, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the SendGrid URL. Press enter to access the SendGrid homepage. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter the email address associated with your SendGrid account in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you want to stay logged in, check the Remember Me box. Click the Login button to proceed. Once logged in, you will be taken to the SendGrid dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. If this is your first time logging in, you may see a welcome message or onboarding tips. Locate the Mail Settings option in the dashboard menu. Click on Mail Settings to configure your email settings. You may need to verify your email domain before sending emails. Follow the prompts to complete the domain verification process. After verifying your domain, return to the dashboard. You are now ready to set up your email sending features. Begin configuring your email settings as needed for your application. Stay consistent with your login credentials for ease of access in the future. This concludes the login process for SendGrid. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.